What is going on, everyone? Hope you're having a good Friday today. I'm here with a quick update to tell you guys a little bit about a significant bill that is being considered here in Florida, House Bill 791, which deals with the issue of taxes, and it's more of a sales tax bill, but there is one provision in it that I want to talk to you guys about because it has huge implications for pretty much everyone that deals with real estate, whether you're a buyer, a seller, a real estate agent, a title company agent. Everyone is going to be affected by this. Currently is a pretty hot debate around property taxes here in the state of Florida. Our government is currently considering eliminating them at varying degrees, which already has been discussed and has a pretty heated debate around the possible positive implications of that, the possible negative implications of that. And on the surface, this is something that property owners want, but in a lot of cases, when you look at the second and third and fourth order effects of this, it becomes a more complicated issue to talk about. If property taxes do go away, the government is going to get their money somehow. And this bill that's being proposed is contingent, or part of it at least, is contingent upon this property tax elimination going through. If it does, House Bill 791 proposes that there be a 5% sales tax applied to pretty much all home sales would fall under this in the state of Florida. And it would be applied in the same way the documentary stamp taxes for on the deed for the sellers. However, 5% increase is significant. So you're talking about on I think it's like $2,800 for like a $400,000 house for the documentary stamp tax on the deed. That would increase to somewhere around $20,000. So this has some pretty significant. This would have some pretty significant effects on not only real estate agents in the sense that they would have to navigate this with their between transactions with the buyers and sellers, but this would pose pretty significant changes for sellers too in the way they think about when they want to sell their house, how they're going to be able to sell their house, and if they even can sell their house. This is going to punish people who need to move. So instead of paying the taxes yearly on your property taxes, it's going to be more of like a lump sum when you go to sell your house. And not only does this pose risks for realtors and sellers in the entire market, but it poses a risk for the fluidity of the market. So real estate mobility. It's going to encourage sellers not to sell, to stay in their homes longer. And when you do have to move, if something comes up where you have to move, say you lose your job and you're looking for employment, and the only place you could get a comparable wage is out of state, a different location. People need to move for various reasons all the time, and this is going to pose a pretty serious hurdle for them if someone is in that situation. So just wanted to give you guys a notice about this. It is not extremely likely to pass in its current form, but it is something to keep an eye out for. So share this if you thought it was interesting. And I'm all about reducing taxes, but let's push for a responsible reduction in taxes.